Today I'm going to change the timing and water pump of this Renault Scenic 2008 petrol 1.6. Oh, it's quite hard, but there is no space. I took the cover off from the timing and I locked the crankshaft from the bottom side, closes into the fourth cylinder. So I'm just going to now I'm just checking that was the actual position of the water pump, and because we don't have a special tool for lock the camshaft inlet and outlet, so I decide just uh, make the mark for one inlet, one mark for the outlet camshaft. So let's see. And yesterday, which one I start the BM5 series clutch one, so I done in the morning, so it's working good now. It's perfect. See you. Bye.